Okay, friends. So today we'll see the competition between C and O alkylation of enolate ion based on a living group on alkyl. So, for example, you know what is enolate? Enolate. This is your enolate. Okay, this is your enolate ion. You have double bond here. Okay, this on alkylation. Now let's say you have ethyl um, with some living group. Okay, so this is your alkyl group and this is your living group. This X is your living group. Okay, this X is your living group. Now, based on the living group, you have two possibility. Either you will get O alkylation or C alkylation. So one product possible here is you will get your O ethylated product. Okay, this is your condition one. And second condition, you will get C alkylated or C ethylated product. This is in second condition, or in second possibility is you will get B. Now this is O alkylation and this is your C alkylation. O alkylation, that is alkyl group is on oxygen, and if alkyl group is on carbon it will become C alkylation. Now on the basis of hard soft concept we can explain this. Okay, now suppose if we have X is, I told you already, it is your living group. X is your living group. That X can be, it can be iodine, it can be bromine, then it can be your, let's say, tosyl group, then it can be ethyl sulfate, and third one is your triflic acid anion or ethyl triflate. Okay, so third one is your triflate anion. Now we know that the so the O alkylation is in order of you can see here. Okay, so for triflic, it will be more alkylation than the ethyl sulfate, then ethyl sulfate, and then you can see for tosyl, and then bromine, and lastly for iodine. That means you know that being an iodide ion, this is a bit soft, and this is the hardest in this group. Okay, so being soft iodine, so the charge will be less on this. Okay, if you see the coulombic interaction, it will be less on the ethyl group, so this will become softer one. That ethyl, that this carbon, you have iodine here, this will become softer. This is more soft than if you compare with triplet. Okay, this will become here will be hard. So if this is hard, so we know that oxygen is harder than carbon. So in this case, oxygen will attack on carbon if it is hard, because we know that hard will prefer hard. You know that hard acid base concept. Okay, so similarly, you have this. You can apply this here. So hard will prefer hard, and that is why we will get O alkylation in case of triplets. Triplet, okay, you will get more O alkylation. So oxygen will attack here. Okay, so you have oxygen here, so that oxygen will attack on So this will attack here. But in case of iodine, if you have, so here instead of oxygen, now this is softer one. This is soft end, and this is your hard end. So hard prefer hard, and this is soft. Now soft will prefer soft. So you will get C alkylated product. So here you will get the C alkylation, and here you will get the O alkylation. This is why you will get two types of product. If the leaving group is hard enough, so it will leave, or it will make that your alkyl group more hard. So hard nucleophile will attack hard electrophile. Similarly, soft will attack on soft. So this is how you will get C alkylation and O alkylation. So if you compare this in this series, so more will be of O alkylation with the triplet than with compared to iodine or iodide ion. So this is the order of O alkylation. Okay, so this is about your C and O alkylation of enolate ions based on leaving group on alkyl